up adventurers, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are feeling pretty hungry, so we're gonna go grab something to eat and take you on the journey with us. Today our very first place is gonna be Yomiii, and we're gonna go for some tacos and some burritos. So let's go. Try a few different items from the menu. We tried the Tacos al Pescado, we tried the Tacos al Pastor, and we also had a mixed burrito. Luke got a coffee and I got a agua de frutas, which is like just kind of water with pineapple juice in it, and that was really good. But first we tried the Tacos al Pastor, which is just basically the taco itself with some meat and onions on top and some cilantro or coriander on top of that.
Yeah, it was absolutely amazing. It was really the taste of the taco itself really popped in your mouth because it was really fresh ingredients. It was actually, me and Naomi were speaking about it just after we left the restaurant, and it was the best tacos that we've had since we've arrived in Mexico. We said that as well in the last video, which was El Pechugon, and to be honest, the flavors and everything that we just had in that restaurant Yomiii, it's even better. Like, it really tasted just pure, fresh, authentic food, and it was really good. And it also had a little bit of a kick as well. You had the chance to add your own spicy sauce. There was one that was not so spicy, and there was another one that was really spicy. I tried both, but the red one was by far the tastiest in terms of adding flavor, and the al pastor taco was absolutely delicious, and something that we definitely recommend if you are ever coming to Playa del Carmen. Try tacos al pastor. It's almost like a certain specialty around here in Yucatan. Next up then we tried the tacos pescado, which is fish taco. Naomi was very surprised by that one because she's not much of a fish food person, but it was delicious as well. What did you think of it?
The tacos al pescado were a big surprise to myself because usually, as Luke said, I'm not so much into fish, but this taco was so delicious, you cannot imagine. It was again like the normal kind of corn type of taco, and then they added different types of fish on top of it. I think there was some onions on it and some cilantro as well, and then we added some of the red hot sauce that is not so hot, like not as hot as the green one, and we added some lime to it as well, and oh my god, it was so juicy, it was so tasty. I just want to eat tacos al pescado from now on forward. I don't want to eat anything else, I think.
The final item that we ordered from Yomiii was the mixed burrito, and this was by far my favorite that we had out of the three items. It's basically refried black beans on a large wrap, like a taco style wrap. It's then put onto the grill and fried. You can tell that they're using a lot of heat because when they serve it to you, it's so hot that you can barely pick it up. So you definitely need to just let it rest when it's served to you. That's what we did. We just enjoyed our drinks while we let it rest. It was incredibly tasty. Refried black beans, that's a hard one to say, on the inside of the wrap. And then you have a bunch of salad with some sour cream, and then because it's a mixed burrito, you have a mixture of a ton of different meats. You have like chicken and pork, and everything is thrown in there. I think there's some chorizo as well, but it is absolutely delicious and by far my favorite item on the menu. What did you think of it?
I really enjoyed the burrito as well because it was the mixed burrito. It was super juicy, but also because there was so much lettuce and tomato and onion and all that good stuff on it, it still had like a lot of nice texture. Wow, with a nice crisp to it. So it was super delicious. I would definitely order the mixed burrito as well, but I do think that the taco al pescado, so the fish taco, was my personal favorite.
Keep in mind, guys, the total cost of that meal that we just had in Yomiii was just 135 pesos, or €5.70, so roughly around $6 US. So let's go on to the next place, guys. Let's get some more food. Next up on our food tour here, guys, we're going to go to a place called Chilaquiles de Playa, and it's just literally right across from me here, across the road. That's where we're headed, and we're going to try some more authentic Mexican food. So let's go, guys. Okay, that was a really good meal. That restaurant was called Chilaquiles, Playa del Carmen. Really beautiful food. For me, the dish that I ordered was chilaquiles mañaneros, which is basically chilaquiles, which is nachos, something that we didn't realize before we came to Mexico, that it's just called chilaquiles when you have like a plate of nachos with some refried black beans and stuff like that. And I got the mañaneros one, which is the chilaquiles nachos with 2 fried eggs, and I got chipotle spice on it. It had a bit of a kick.
Yeah, it was supposed to be kind of the medium type of spice, but I tried it for a second and oh my god, it was not medium at all. For me it was way too spicy, but it was still super delicious.
Yeah, it was really good. I can't really feel my tongue right now though, but the flavor on it was absolutely amazing and 100% would recommend it. Very tasty, and they had runny eggs on top, 2 fried runny eggs, which is my favorite to have. I've never actually had fried eggs on nachos, and I didn't think that it could work, and I never thought of that flavor combination, but it worked amazingly well, and I definitely would try that again. Naomi, what did you get?
I got a bread filled with chilaquiles, some mild red sauce on it, and some pulled chicken. I think it was called tecolotes.
Tecolotes, I think. It's like
con pollo pruebo.
Sorry guys if we're butchering any names here.
Yeah,
but,
no, they took the menu away from us so fast that I didn't remember really the word. But it was just like a bread bun filled with other stuff, and it was so nice. They had some black bean sauce in there as well, and some of that white crumbly cheese, which is like the Mexican cheese here. I think it's from Oaxaca, but I'm not 100% on this. It's super tasty though.
Yep.
And the mild sauce was not spicy at all. I took it said like with 1 chili. it was not spicy at all. I took the red sauce. It was really, really delicious. And you tried my food as well, right?
Yeah, the food was really good. The tecolote, I think was the name of it. It's basically, yeah, just a bread sandwich with nachos filling inside. It was amazing. The shredded chicken was super tender and very juicy as well. And it wasn't spicy at all, which for me, for me guys, there's people peeping at us. But for me, the no spicy part, that's fine. But I do like a bit of a kick. That's why I ordered the chipotle on mine. So for me, I definitely preferred the chilaquiles with the fried eggs on top. I'm guessing you preferred the sandwich? I
preferred the sandwich. Yeah, if it wasn't for the spice, I probably would have preferred the chilaquiles as well, but in this case I think it was the sandwich for me. And Luke ordered a coffee and I ordered a small orange juice, which was...
It was huge.
750 ml was the smallest orange juice that they had. And the entire meal came to a total of 235 pesos.
Which is
€9.70.
Roughly
so
$10.
Incredibly affordable as well, and so delicious. Oh my god.
And we're both stuffed as well. That's something to think about, guys. When you do come to Mexico, food is incredibly affordable, even in places like Playa del Carmen. Just stay away from 5th Avenue and you'll be good to go. So guys, that was our quick little food tour. We have many more food tours to come. Believe it or not, the next stop for us is going to be Mérida, which is slightly more inland from here. It's still in Yucatan, in the state of Yucatan. We're very excited to see Mérida. If anybody has any recommendations about Mérida, drop them down below in the comments, because that's going to be coming soon. We have another full week here in Playa del Carmen, and we're going to enjoy that to the max as well. But guys, my name is Luke.
My name is Naomi.
We are Nalu Adventures, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Peace.